Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to show you how to insert the degree symbol in Microsoft Excel. The spreadsheet I have on my screen shows some times and temperatures, but it doesn't say if those are in Fahrenheit or centigrade. So I want to improve this label. I'm going to click in the formula bar for the temperature header and type a space after temperature, and then insert the degree symbol. And to do that, I'm going to go to the Insert ribbon and choose Symbol way over on the right. And here, I'm just going to scroll through the symbols until I find the one I want. Here's the degree symbol. So I'll click on it and click Insert. And then I will close the symbol dialog box and I will see that superscript 0. And then I'll just type the letter F for degrees Fahrenheit and press enter. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to insert the degree symbol in Microsoft Excel.